What is card not present transaction? Card not present transaction is a transaction where the card holder is not physically present at the merchant when the payment is made. It is most commonly used for payments made over the internet, phone, or mail. There is no doubt that card not present transaction is making the online purchase process easier. However, a merchant may face a higher fraud risk as it is difficult for a merchant to verify that the actual card holder is making the purchase. If your customer make a purchase using a stolen card, you could end up getting a chargeback request by the real owner. How to solve this problem? FraudLabs Pro is the fraud prevention solution. It allows merchants to screen up to 500 orders for free per month. It uses machine learning to perform fraud checking. In addition, it allows rules customization. It also performs checks on IP geolocation, proxy server, email address, and so on. Sign up FraudLabs Pro for free now to secure your online business.